my friends. I was cleaning all day and now I have a lash refill appointment at 3 o'clock. I'm here. It's 2:43. I'm early. I like being earlier than late. Justin last minute randomly was like, hey boys, do you want to watch the Superman movie? And I was like, oh man, I want to watch it too, but it's okay. So they went to go see the Super, and it was like so quick. He was all like they had like less than 30 minutes to like get dressed and go, and they did it. I'm proud of them. And they found some IMAX theater, and I was like, oh dang, I'm missing out. Yeah, Justin just texted me a photo. They look like they're having fun. You know Justin, he will get them anything, the popcorn, the candy. I just hope that Jacob doesn't eat too much candy because he gets sick when he eats too much candy. But we're at our favorite restaurant. Yeah. Hold on. Here you go. This is your wipe. We're at our favorite restaurant. We love it here. Bye-bye. Hello friends, we're at Asia Mall now. Girl, I'm trying to find my favorite little like caramel puff thingy. I can't find it. Hello friends, happy weekend. We're at the Arboretum with our friends today. You know, when it comes to friends and adulting and having a bunch of kids like mixed together, it takes time. We've been planning this since May, honey. Yeah. Since your birthday party. It's beautiful here. I wish I showed you the other parts, but I can show you like little videos. That's onions over there. Look at this. This is a leek.
In here, and it's just regular wood smoke that we're using in here. There's nothing too special about it.
I didn't say so.
And it does a few things that help us work with the bees. So a big thing it does is it covers up smell that the bees use to talk to each other. So if I get stung today, I'll let you know, but you might see me blow a little bit of smoke on where I get stung. We use these here, they're called sweetest splitters, and it's out of this one. So most of the bees here are workers. We have some girl bee cocoons up here where it's covered up.
Well done, y'all.
The kids made it out the maze.
Nora's saying, where is everyone?
Trying a new place.
Pretty good.
Look what Justin ordered for the kids. That's gonna be so fun, and Sophie's here today. Today we have Sophie girl here. They're playing on this big old water slide that Justin bought on Amazon during Prime. Let me just get rid of this one. Yeah, and then Uncle Bob and Aunt Julie gave this to us as like a housewarming gift when we moved. And I still had some, so I was like, oh, today's a perfect day for snow cone, girl. Today's a perfect day for some halo, but I don't have the ingredients. We had dinner with the family, and now we're at Sharon's garden. We're gonna pick her raspberries. Look at that. Hi friends, how are you? I'm in the middle of another baking video. I'm doing muffins because Jakey loves them, Liam loves them. We're doing blueberry chocolate chip muffins. I'm gonna make a cook with April on my IG, AprilThena7. I've been really into like cooking videos again, so please, I don't ask for a lot. I really feel like I don't. So if it's okay, could you guys follow me on Instagram? Because that's where I've been posting all of my cooking stuff. And yeah, I think it was like 2 weeks ago or so, Jacob was like, Mommy, I was sharing my food on the stories, and he was like, Mommy, do you share your food all the time? And I was like, no, but I used to. I used to all the time. When your Lula was alive, I would send it to her all the time. And he's like, well, Mommy, you should, because your cooking's real good. And I was like, oh, I should. And I don't know why that like snapped me back into like my passion, but it did. The moment Jacob was all like, you cook good, Mommy, you should share it. And I'm like, yeah, I will. And so I started doing cooking videos again, and it makes my heart so happy. The first day I started doing it, I literally cried with happy tears. Like, I haven't cried happy tears in a long time. I've been crying a lot of sad tears lately. So it made my heart so happy to find my passion back. And it felt so natural. Like, it felt easier and comfortable. I just don't know how to describe it. It feels like this is what I'm supposed to be doing in this season of my life. And it's crazy that my baby got me to do it. So I feel really lucky to be doing what I love again. It's like starting over again. That's why I'm asking you guys to follow me, to like, comment, share the recipe, share it in your stories, do whatever you want. Please just, if you like cooking and food, please support, because that would make my heart happy. Oh, I thought the boys were talking to me, but they were just chatting with themselves. Yeah, so right now we got the muffins going. I picked up Jacob from chess camp. Liam has basketball camp tomorrow, and so does Jakey. No, you have chess camp tomorrow, Papa. Yeah, sorry. Jacob's like, nah, I ain't got no basketball. I do chess. You know, Jakey loves chess. Liam is really good at basketball. Like, I watched him, and he's quite good at it. Oh my gosh, so much going on again. So Liam has this, like, you know, the bug bite. The last vlog I shared with you, the bug bite. I took him to urgent care. Where this time around, this morning, Liam woke up and he had rashes all over. I gave him an oatmeal bath yesterday because he had rashes all over. And I was like, I don't know what that is. But Justin was like, nah, we're going to take him to urgent care. So he went straight to urgent care and they gave him steroids. And we found out he gets heat rashes. He's like me. I get heat rashes and I'm allergic to the sun. Like, sorry, I gave you that. Like, yeah, he gets heat rashes. It's also a little different here. There's high humidity. Sometimes the humidity will be like 80%, and that's something that we're not used to in California, so that might be something. Oh, and what's up? You like the audio? A lot of you guys were telling me that it was getting a little, like the audio was sucking. So if I'm home, you know I'm gonna have my mic. But if I'm not home and I'm just casually vlogging, I'm sorry. I will bust out my phone and I'll chat with you. I'm so sorry, but this is not what I'm gonna have. But hopefully the quality of the audio is better here. Like, I really feel like it is, because I use this also for my reels, for my cooking videos. So for my IG Cook with April, well, it's April Athena 7, but I post all of my cooking videos there. So far we got funnel cake. We're gonna have blueberry chocolate chip muffins soon. We got pesto pasta that I made with Sharon's basil. What else did I make? I made the world's best lasagna recipe, but I haven't edited that yet. So, but that's coming out. And also, what else? I made something else. Mango sticky rice. I have lots for you, so please check it out. Like, I'm so happy about that. And then Charlie, excellent news about Charlie. He had his vet visit, and the vet did an ultrasound and found that he has a heart problem. That's not the good news. But the good news is it's been almost a week since we found out about his heart problem. He had 2 prescriptions. One was out of stock. We finally got it from the pharmacy, and he's been on it, and it feels like he's been having less asthma attacks. My cat's a survivor. He's a fighter. Yes, Charlie, yes you are. Let me go get him. Got to say, Charlie, say, I'm a fighter. I'm a fighter. I'm a handsome little fighter with a bow tie. My handsome papas. Yeah, so he's doing good, y'all. Less asthma attacks. When I put my cats down, I squat with them. Yeah, buddy, we gotta squat together. I'm not gonna just throw you down. You're not young no more. I can't just like where he just hops off. No, oh, you wanna give me attitude? Let him know, baby. What you got to say? What you got? What, Charlie? Oh, I wanted him to meow on the mic. That would have been cute. You wanna say something? Oh, did you hear that? You wanna say something? Oh, what else, Charlie? Let us know. He said nothing. Oh, that's a beautiful one. Oh, you know what? Why? He knows what time it is. It's dinner time. So let me go ahead and get him some dinner. The muffins are ready. It made 9. We ate a bit of it already. And Jakey is the taste tester because blueberry muffins are his thing. He'll like eat it every single day until we run out. That's like his thing. But look at that goodness. Look at it. All the blueberries, the melted chocolate chips in it. Mm-hmm. Boys are making raspberry lemonade with Bubby's raspberries. Yeah, we heated it up a little so it can be easy to squeeze. Friends, how are you? I worked out today. It's been a while. Happy Monday. I'm growing my hair. You see, it's getting long. But I decided I want to grow it and donate it to cancer patients, especially children. And then I mentioned that in my stories, and one of you friends DM'd me and told me a charity that accepts colored hair, and when my hair is donated, they don't charge. And I didn't know that when I donate my hair, like, they charge people for my hair. And I'm like, what? So yeah, this one, they don't charge families and children for my hair. Or I mean, like, yeah, that's crazy. I didn't know that. Anyways, I'm having my melon that I made the other day. Today's Aunt Nancy's birthday, so we're going to Uncle Brad's house, and we're gonna have a pool day for dinner. It's gonna be like 5:30. We got an ice cream cake at Dairy Queen. It's a surprise. So shh, just kidding. By the time she watches, she doesn't watch her stuff, but by the time, like, no, like, we'll be there already, you know. This melon is so good. The cantaloupe was a little too, it wasn't like ripe yet, so I turned it into all melon, and it's delightful. Hello friends, I guess I forgot to end the vlog. Just wanted to say bye. I'm gonna clean Justin's CPAP machine. Yeah, thank you friends so much for watching. If you can, please join me on Instagram, follow me there. I got Cook with April back there. So many recipes and more because I filmed some more the other day. Bye friends.